Alright guys, as you can see, I've peeled off all the coverings on the top of the mast. So we painted this a while back, and then we just in the last few days we managed to put everything back together, looking good, installing the lights, and then I'm about to install the last stack lights on the starboard. So you know, starting to look good now, guys. Check it out, man. So I'll take you to the top of the mast, you know, but the rest of the boat is still covered with paper and some plastic. But this I'm rushing to do this because it's getting hot already up here. It's already May, second week of May, and it's heating up pretty quickly. So in the next few weeks it will be unbearable up here, up on the top of the mast. I'll take you up. So this is what I've been doing for the last few days. It takes fucking long time, man, to put everything back together. It's so easy to disassemble it, but putting it back, this all knob lights, all connected now to power. That's all been painted brand new, man. This mast, I'll tell you about the story of this mast. This mast hasn't been painted since, when was that, in Genova, 2005. This whole mast all the way down to the stack, as you can see on my previous video. So this time 2021 finally got its well-deserved paint job. When we were in Florida, we got painted there a while back, what, six years ago. We painted the hull and then the whole superstructure, but somehow we didn't paint the stack and the mast. So this year, 2021, finally get its new paint job, looking good. We painted this. This is our project, from the top of the mast all the way down to the stack. That's what we've done. So it's starting to look good. So this is top of the mast. I'll take you way up, and may as well, while I'm here, I may as well show you what it looks like all the way to the top and outside of the tent. All right, so I'll take you up. All right, so how was it? Looks nice up there. Cool. Anyway, guys, I'll end the video here, and then I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, you know, I'll help the channel. Give it a thumbs up, man. If you have any question, comment it down below, and as always, thank you for watching. Bye for now.